Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to make a complaint on Wetherspoon app. Now if you want to make a complaint for someone or something on Wetherspoon but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to complain or make a complaint about Wetherspoon, then you can have several options to do it depending upon your issue. Now if you want to complain in the buff, then you can speak to the manager at the pub at the same time. But if you want to complain through the app, then you need to simply open the Wetherspoon app on a device, click on the order, and here you will see the options of help or report an issue. So if you see the option of help and report an issue, or if you have ordered something from the menu and you are not receiving it in time, then you will see the option of help or report an issue, and here there you need to describe the issue which you are facing and you need to submit it. So after that they will respond to you within a certain amount of time through the app, or they will make you speak to the manager of the pub at the very same time. So if they are not responding from it, then you may go on the option of contact us, and from contact us you may simply email them, or you may simply call on the toll-free number of them or customer care number of them and talk with them in person, or you may simply fill up this form and you may simply complain it from here. So that's it. That's how you can complain on Wetherspoon app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.